Nairiti,
Yes, Mama.
today we will do dividing with zeros, okay?
Okay, Mama.
So we will learn the trick of dividing by zeros, okay?
Okay, Mama.
So see, suppose 100 divided by 50, okay? 100 divided by 50. So beside in 100, how many zeros are there?
2 zeros.
And in 50, how many zeros are there?
1 zero.
So 1 0 is common in 100 as well as in 50, right? So we will cancel out 1 0 from both the sides. So write it on the board. Write 100 divided by 50.
100 divided by 50.
Now cancel 1 0 from both the sides.
1, 1.
And now do as usual division. 10 divided by 5. So what will be the
5.
answer?
2 the 10.
Very good. So the answer will be
2.
2. That means the quotient is 2 and the remainder will be 0. Did you get it?
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Remainder is 0.
0. So 100 divided by 50 is the quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 0. So you can do the divisions in the same way. If there are zeros beside the numbers, these are the math tricks you need to follow while doing divisions. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
When you have bigger numbers, when you see there are many zeros, just cancel out zeros from both the sides. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. And then do as usual division. Is this clear?
Yes, Mama.
So see some questions given on the board. So what is the first question?
150 divided by 30.
Yes. So how many zeros are in both the sides?
1 0.
1 zeros common in both the sides, right?
Yes, Mama.
So what you're going to do?
I will cut the zeros.
You will cut the zeros. 1 0 from each side. Yes. Do it. Start doing. Yes. Now what you're going to do? 15 divided by 3.
3 5 15.
Very good. Now what's the next question?
1600 divided by 400.
Yes. So how many common zeros are there?
2 zeros.
2 zeros in both the sides. Right? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you're going to do? Cancel?
2 zeros.
Yes. Both the numbers have 2 zeros common. See, in 1600 there are 2 zeros and in 400 there are 2 zeros. So we cancel the 2 zeros from both the numbers, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now what you're going to do? 16 divided by
By
4.
four.
Yes.
4 4 16.
Very good. 1600 divided by 400 is equal to
4.
4. Very good. Now move to the third one.
21,000 divided by 70.
21,000 divided by 70. In both the numbers, how many common zeros are there?
In 21,000 there are 3 zeros. In 70 there are 1 zero.
So how many common zeros in both the numbers? Common zero.
1.
Very good. So you can cancel only 1 0 from both the numbers. Cancel out. And see, in 21,000, there are 2 more zeros, but you can't cancel those zeros, right? Because
Yes,
in
ma'am.
7, besides 7, there is only 1 0. 70 have only 1 0. So you can't cancel anymore. What you're going to do? You're going to divide 2100 divided by 7. So zeros, let the zeros be as it is. So you have to do the division. 21 divided by 7. How much?
7 3 21.
And how many zeros left?
2 zeros.
So where you will put?
Here.
So the answer is
300.
300. So 21,000 divided by 70 is equal to 300, right?
Yes, Mama.
Now number 4.
4,500 divided by 500.
So
Got 2 zeros.
yes.
45 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45.
So read the question with the answer.
4,500 divided by 500 is equal to 9.
Very good. Now the last one. What is the last question?
14,400 divided by 120.
120. Now
12. 12 is 144. 1 0 is left. I will
yes.
write here.
Yes, 1 0 is left. See, in 14,400, there are 2 zeros. But in 120, there is only 1 0. So what you did, you cancel out 1 0 from both the numbers. But still in the first number, there is 1 0 left. So while after dividing, you wrote the 0 as it is. Right?
Yes,
So 144 divided by 12 is 12 12s are 144 and 1 0 left, so you put the 0, right?
Yes,
This is the magic tricks of zeros while doing divisions. We can only follow these tricks if the number ends with 0 or zeros. Okay? See, so big numbers, 21,000 divided by 70. We can do division within a seconds, right? Because why? Then let the number be as big, no problem. If the number ends with the zeros, the division will take only few seconds. Okay? But if the number have zeros in between, then you can't follow these tricks. These tricks can only be followed if the number end with 0 or zeros. Is this clear?
Yes, Mama.
So it's easy?
Yes, Mama.
So you can do long divisions with zeros, right?
Yes, Mama.
These are the tricks of division. Magic tricks of zeros. Right?
Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.